Good morning. Happy Tuesday. And I wanted to chat about what is going on in my world today and what I'm working on. I have been working on my own morning routine, waking up at 3 in the morning and doing, based on a book called The Miracle Morning, and tailoring my own morning routine, which consists of singing my favorite theme song, dancing on my vibration plate and stretching, using my massage roller, writing in my journal, taking a few minutes and staying silent, learning how to meditate. I'm not good at it, but I try every day, or I try as often. Now I'm going to be trying more and every day. Writing in the journal, putting your thoughts on paper, thinking about your day. I mean, it's all good stuff. So morning routine has been something that I've been working on. And today, I woke up on time, 3 in the morning, and got my morning routine done. Started working out at 5 with my clients, and 7 a.m. I had a class, and at the very end, I was chatting with one of my clients who has made such amazing strides. And she said to me, the one thing that's amazing is, what we do, you don't need cardio, because it's the combination of intermittent fasting and strengthening your body in a super efficient way of using resistance bands, small gym equipment, inexpensive stuff, holding your body weight, and balancing. And, so listening to her, it reminded me, because I'm in the midst of writing about my workout and what it is I actually do and what I'm hoping to achieve for myself and for my clients. And, people ask me, well, how do you get your arms? Well, I do consistently work certain things with a band, and I work out that way, but I eat clean and I try to fast, weekly or daily, depending. And, I put all those pieces together, and, and they all are important. So the working out around your injuries, again, today I get to go to my client's home. He's 94 years old. He's a vet of World War II. And because he went for his vaccine the other day, and I saw he took his hat out. And I just thought it was amazing. He has one leg. And he came to me because he wanted to get back into bed on his own. He wanted to have more mobility. And so we literally are working with resistant bands and other types of resistance, small balls, holding and stretching, working out that leg, and pulling himself up on the wheelchair. All those pieces, I sit there and I listen to my client who struggles with her knee and her shoulders, but she tells me she gets the best workout with me, because you can work around your injuries when you are realizing that it's just the piece, the 20%, the 80% is the food we eat. So today I get to go to a field trip. In the past, I was taking my clients before COVID very easily, just right to Trader Joe's. Hey, meet me here at this time. We're going to go walk around and check out the food, and I'm going to show you some of my favorites and get you started and all that kind of stuff. And so things change, right? Life changes. And I still am going to have that opportunity once a month, or maybe twice a month, something like that, to invite people on Facebook and people locally, my clients. I have clients around the country too, that I can take my phone in and do live video. And that can help, just as much as if I was local and just walking around with a few clients. So I'm going to be doing both. And today I thought it'd be a great day to go into a store other than Trader Joe's. I haven't figured out which one yet, but I want to show you good bread. And what my daughter, what I apparently always say is the crap bread, or the crap, right? Because she always makes fun of me with that. And the truth of it is, unless you're reading the ingredients, you have no idea. Because if you're looking at the packaging, one is supposed to attract you and tell you things that you want to hear so that you buy it. And when you flip it over and read the ingredients, it's a whole different world. So, I want to show you some of my favorite, maybe pastas and breads and go-tos, some treats and things like that. So on Tuesdays, that's kind of going to be my field trip thing. And today too, the other thing that I get to do is take my daughter to, every few months she has to get her blood tested. She's anemic. We always have these issues. And so we go to a hematologist, oncologist, and she gets her blood drawn. There's many times where she needs to have infusion, and what's kind of crazy about this whole thing is over COVID, when we were on major lockdown, she couldn't go to certain places, fast food or crap food, and easily get it, right? So mom cooked more, right? We cooked more. We all had to cook more. And that month when she went to the doctors, her iron was over the top. It was the best it ever was. So we go on another month of unknown because old habits come back, and she is, it's another example of food is either making you sick or it's going to be medicine. And if you are lactose intolerant, or that when you eat bread or pasta, gluten, you feel bloated or you feel crappy, or if you eat sugar and you're that high and then that quick, it's food. It's food. It's what it does to us. And if you eat better, your body will be better. And if you eat crap, your body will feel like crap. And so to me, that's why I try to come on and share it. That's why I annoy my daughter. And that's why I will continue to annoy my daughter as we sit there and tell the doctor that she's not taking her iron medicine as well. And she eats like crap. So I hope that we all will learn something today, because after I go and work out with my 97-year-old client, 96, 94, I don't know, same old, then I'm going to do my field trip, and soon after that, then the doctors. So I hope that you have a great Tuesday, and check in. I did put all the links, and I also put a link at the very bottom for a favorite food list, which is really kind of where I'm going to go with today on the field trip, because the pastas that I use are on there, and you can buy them off of Amazon. And I designed that link because I do have clients around the country, some that don't have a Trader Joe's or a Fresh Market or a Whole Foods or, a ShopRite, whatever it is, right? So I kind of been working on healthy snacks, healthy ingredients, healthy supplements, food supplements. So take a peek at it, and hopefully you'll be around for the field trip, or you could check in and see if there's anything that will be of interest to you. I hope you have a great Tuesday. Bye.